welcome back to the vlog once again, and today I'm gonna show you guys what every bagged ST needs. Before we begin that, we got our boy Jonathan here installing a Catless downpipe, so he's gonna be loud boys like me. Say hi, Jonathan.
Yo, what's good?
What's up? That's my favorite Chino right here, other than Bradley and Justin.
Ooh.
There you go.
Chino number 3.
Chino number 3. Got the boy Hector Skeet. Baby. David, see him? Yeah. Oh shit, dude, this looks so clean compared to mine. What the heck? You never drive this thing?
Driving too much oil in the garage, bro.
From me driving fucking in the rain all the time. All right, so here we are. We got the massive speed end links. Supposedly it's like a race spec end link, but honestly, if you have a bagged ST or an RS, you need this, because otherwise you're just gonna be blowing out end links back to back. But like when the end link or you air out, it just goes with the flow, you know, instead of just bending the end link itself. I'm so glad that Massive Speed made these, and I ordered them and they shipped it out in like 2 days. So they're honestly the best. I run front end links from them, camber arms, tow arms, and now the rear end links, the whole package. So I really recommend Massive Speed. They're awesome. They're not that expensive for end links as well, and they're great quality. So hopefully we can get these on today, because right now I don't have an end link. I have one on this side, but not one on this side. They're Steeda end links. They're not really meant for a bag car. I made a mistake when I ordered them. So if you guys want some, they will be up for sale. I think I'll do like 50 bucks, which is super cheap. And I have the extra bushings, so if anyone wants to cop them, just let me know. All right, Jonathan, you care to tell us what modifications you have to your ST?
Yeah, sure. I got a cobb catback. Over here, we have a Steeda rear sway bar.
Rear sway bar.
Over here, we got Swift springs.
Swift springs.
Let's move forward. Let's see. Nearly installed.
Obviously,
Nearly installed.
The Catless downpipe is going on.
Yeah,
What kind of Catless downpipe is it?
It's a Megan Racing Catless downpipe
There
over
you
here.
go.
Over here on the wheels, we got some Team Dynamic Pro Race 1.2s in anthracite
They match the car color. That's sick.
with Bridgestone SO4 pole positions.
Nice.
And over here, we have a Depot Racing 5.5 Beast intercooler.
Big one.
And then up there, we got a Mishimoto oil cooler.
Oh shoot, I need one. Dang, not bad. Once they finish up Jonathan's downpipe install, we're gonna have like a little rev off. He's gonna sound like when I sounded when I got my downpipe. It's so raspy. I could not drive like that. I only drove like that for a week and got a resonator. So I kind of want to see how it sounds again, because it was super loud. So we'll do like a little rev off. Nothing too crazy. Hopefully we don't cause too much attention. And we'll probably go for a test drive, and it's gonna be loud. I'm low-key like looking forward to it. I don't know why. We'll see right now.
A few moments later.
Here we go.
Oh shit. What did I do, bro?
Oh my god. Gotta check for leaks though. Oh, there's no leaks. That's
Hector
good.
got it right.
Jesus. It's loud. About to turn it on again. Jesus. Look at that turbo. Such a rowdy boy.
Dude, holy shit.
We need to go for a test drive.
Hell yeah.
All right, we're gonna do a little rev off just to get a sound comparison. And he has a Megan Racing Catless downpipe with the cobb exhaust, but the cobb exhaust has a resonator delete, so it's pretty loud. So a little comparison right here. Wait, try it, Jonathan.
Right.
God. Jesus.
What did we do? What did I do? Hey, what do you think?
Dude, I'm speechless right now, bro. This is fucking insane. What did I do?
What did I do, man? What did I make him do? Yes, sir. Shout out to me. Follow me, Hectorski, 3 eyes.
About to take this for a quick test drive. About to do the first pull. Jesus! So loud. Do a downshift. What do you think?
It feels faster already, bro. I can't,
Jesus.
I don't know
Stand right
what
here.
to say, bro.
Oh my god. It's so loud.
Yeah.
It feels fast.
Let's do a first gear pull.
Do it. Sheesh.
Yeah, it's way faster. It's way louder, and it pops like crazy now.
Do your hair's like going around?
Yeah, I heard it a
You
little bit.
heard
I was
that
like,
shit?
oh shit.
It's so loud,
Pretty
dude.
fucking loud.
It's pretty loud. You're gonna have to get another resonator like
When it
me.
hits like 3,000 RPM, it like cracks over that fucking, I don't know, sound barrier or something.
Yeah, it's when the wastegate hits.
It drones like crazy.
It's when the wastegate opens up, it just screams.
Yeah.
It's sick. All right, guys, we got back from that test drive, as you guys saw, and now Hector's helping me do the end links.
Yes, sir.
So here we have the Steed end links. These were gonna be for sale as well because they don't fit
Look
my
at that.
bagged car. I have extra bushing, so they're good to go. Gonna be replacing them with the. Oh, I just hurt myself. Oh, my diffuser just hit me. The massive speed. So that way when I air out, they don't blow out. So you guys see the mechanism? It just goes with the flow. That makes sense. But yeah. And gonna have to adjust these once we take that one off. So I'll do that. And it should be straightforward. And we'll get it done pretty quick. So I'll update you guys. All right, both of them are adjusted to an equal length. Already took that one off. All right, guys, you can see there, we have it installed. So when I air out, it should like just go with the flow.
I may need to fix it because it looks kind of crooked.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
gonna make
a
this
little bit,
straight.
yeah.
It's supposed to go with the flow, and it's just gonna be like that. Regular end link, just a little modified right here. So it's pretty sick for a bagged vehicle. So we're just gonna do some adjustments, and we should be chilling. Test drive would be normal. Don't need to do that. But yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Just working the wheels down.
Yeah, I was about to ask you that too. I was like, how did that happen? I was going like, I was backing up in a parking lot, and then the lady was parked like diagonal like this.
All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. The end-link install was a success.
Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe to us. Kind of.
You heard it first. All right, see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and